Narito na. Wimpo! Okay, pivotara. Pomelo? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana. Oh, ba 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 banana. Ba 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 banana. Tokari no potato rika ni maro manika no chicha. Ba ba banana. Yo plano fu, la mano no tu. Ma banana la camo pitara mo banana. Ba banana. Potato. Tokari no potato rika ni maro manika no chicha. Ba banana.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing
happy, happy birthday. Ano ang handa mo sa iyong kaarawan? Happy, happy, happy birthday. Nawa'y pagpalain ikaw.
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Happy birthday to you.
How old are you?
Ang aking handaan.
Ano?
Bibingka at puto.
Naku, sarap.
May kape at soft drinks.
May ice cream.
May litson, pansit, bihon. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Kombidado ang may baon.
Aray, naku. Come and join the celebration. Happy birthday mo ngayon. Lahat ay magtipon-tipon. May kanya-kanyang baon. Come and join the celebration. Happy birthday mo ngayon. Lahat ay magtipon-tipon. May kanya-kanyang baon. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday to you. Ang inaway pagpalain ka ng buong may kapal. Nabigyan ka pa niya ng maraming kaarawan. Liligaya ka sa
Happy birthday, Ma'am Palenya. Wish you many more birthdays to come. Ma'am, lagi po yung tatandaan na kahit hindi na po namin kayo kasama sa Balete DepEd Family, ay hindi po namin kayo malilimutan. Narito na po kayo sa aming puso at isipan. We love you, Ma'am. Bye-bye. Mama Palenya, happy birthday po. May you be blessed this coming another year of your life. Have a good health and stay sexy and pretty always. God bless po. Again, happy birthday po, Ma'am. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. On this special day, we wish you all the very best. All the joy you can ever have. And may you be blessed abundantly today, tomorrow, and the days to come. May you have a fantastic birthday and many more to come. Happy, happy birthday, Mom. We love you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma. We wish you all the best. We hope that we will still have time to see each other, even if you are no longer in the service. We will miss you and all the things you've done in the street as our mother and friend. Happy birthday, Mom. We wish you all the best. We are thankful that you became a part of our district. We are hoping and praying na ma-enjoy pa rin nyo ang life nyo at you continue another stage of your life. Stay happy, beautiful, and gorgeous. God bless po. Happy birthday, Mom! Parang hindi ay sugar, hindi ba? Silver and gold can buy the person that you are. People accept you for what you really are. Then be you, always be you. That's what you really are. Silver and gold can buy the person that you are. People accept you for what you really are. Then be you, always be you. That's what you really are. To our beloved district supervisor, Ma'am Patenya, we, Makina Primary School Teaching Force, would like to greet you a happy, happy birthday. Wishing you good health, more blessings, and more birthdays to come. Stay pretty, energetic, and God-loving. May God bless you always. We love you and we will miss you. Happy birthday, Ma'am Patenya. In this very special occasion, we're very happy and proud to say, happy, happy birthday. The manager of intellectual people, Ma'am Patenya, from the bottom of our hearts, we wish you all the best. Our ardent desire to have you more and more blessings and birthdays to come. Truly, you lighten up Balete Street and you made us feel brand new. The great pretender, we won't forget you and your fabulous way of treating us make us feel sweet 16. And we know that you never been love and all you want is candy. Ice cream, teddy bears, lollipop. Happy, happy birthday, Mom. From your teaching force, never give up to render service objectively. Hi, Mom. Happy birthday.
Today is your birthday, and we simply wish you all your success. We are lucky enough to have you. You are such a modest person, and we hope that even you grow old yearly, you will stay the same. Thank you for all the inspiration and encouragement. Happy birthday, Ma'am Andrea, from Cyber Kids.
We just wanna feel this moment. Oh, we just wanna feel this moment. Oh, happy birthday to you. Maligaya, maligaya, maligaya ang ito. Sige, ikemon, sige, ikemon, ikemon. Sige, ikemon, sige, ikemon,
Good day. Happy birthday, Mom. We wish you all the best and good health. Thanks for your kindness and for some advices that you gave to us. We will miss you, Mom. From us, happy birthday. Happy birthday po, Ma'am! Kami po ang mga officers ng City Generation ng Cavite District ay bumabati sa iyo ng maligayang karawan. Maraming salamat po. Kasama namin kayo sa maikling panahon ng iyong panunungkulan bilang aming District Supervisor. Happy birthday! Smile naman!
Hello, Ma'am. I would like to wish you happy birthday. I wish you all the best, more blessings, and more blessings to come. We are very sure that we will wish you stay pretty, sophisticated, and lovely. Again, happy birthday, and
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday. I'm so much blessed and thankful na naging part kayo ng district namin at the same time ng aming buhay. Thank you so much, Ma'am. I wish you all the best. Hopefully, maging masaya pa rin po kayo, and I pray na mas lalo niyo pa rin po ma-enjoy ang buhay niyo sa bagong step na inyong pagdadaanan. Maraming salamat po. Stay happy, beautiful, and gorgeous. Happy birthday, Ma'am. We love you. Ma'am, happy birthday po. Wish you more birthdays to come. Thanks for being a part of our district. Mamimiss po namin kayo, lahat po ng ating lakad, ang ating po mga jamingan, yung ating mga tawanan. Sana po kahit wala na po kayo dito sa aming district, ay hindi niyo pa rin kami makakalimutan kahit po kami ay minsan nagiging pasaway sa inyo. Sana po ay maging maligaya kayo kahit hindi na po kayo district supervisor, at na hindi po namin kayo makakalimutan. We will miss you and we love you. Again, happy birthday po and God bless.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. I wish you all the best in life. I hope huwag kayo magbago kahit wala na kayo sa Balete District. Basta lagi niyo po tatandaan, mahal namin kayo, at sana po huwag niyo kaming kalimutan kahit retired na kayo. Ganun din po, salamat sa lahat ng experience, sa lahat ng ating mga pinagsamahan. Nakapunta kami sa di ba namin nararating sa magitan ninyo. Thank you, ma'am. And we love you.
Happy birthday to my ever-dearest ma'am. Thank you so much po sa lahat-lahat. I'm really sad. Mga tagalan na po ulit pa tayo bago tayo magkasama-sama. Sana ma'am, hindi nyo ako makalimutan pag kinakalis sa DepEd family. Ako ma'am, I'm sure, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan. Kaya itinuring ko ng second ma'am. From the bottom of my heart, I love you, will miss you. Happy birthday po, and God bless po.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. We are blessed that you become a part of our district supervisor, our friend, our mother, and the like. How we wish that you can extend the service on us. We won't forget all days with you. Nakarating po kami sa mga lugar na hindi namin napupuntahan, katulad ng ASAP, kung saan nagpa-picture tayo sa mga artista. Nakasakay tayo sa zipline. Tapos, lonely kayo kasi naipit namin kayo ni Rose. Pero, ang saya din po namin. Paano po ay kitang-kita namin na kayo ay lungkot na lungkot at hindi kayo makita sa picture. We enjoyed much with those experiences. We love you, Ma'am. God bless po, good health, and fabulous birthday you may have. Happy birthday, Ma'am. And soon, sana dumating ang inyong fabulous partner. Hello!
Hi, Ma'am. Happy birthday po. Thank you very much for all the learning, the happiness, the experiences that you have shared to us. Ma'am, kahit po minsan ay nasasabi niyo sa amin na kami ay pasaway, pero Ma'am, I'm sure you. Ako na po talaga magpapatunay na ito po talaga kami. Masasaya kami kasama at sabay talaga kami mababait. Kami ay mga tunay na nagmamahal sa isang puno na gaya ninyo. Nung po kayo dumating, ay kami po ay tuwang-tuwa sa tingin ng iba. Akala daw po ay direkto, pero sa tunay po, kami po naman ang magpapatunay din na talagang napakabait ninyo, napaka-very motherly. At yun po ay aming tinatanaw na malaking utang na loob sa inyo, yung mga binigay nyo sa amin, yung mga i-share nyo sa amin. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. At Ma'am, happy birthday again. We love you. God bless you and more blessings.
Ma'am, happy 56th birthday! Este, nabaliktad po ang age number natin. Pero ang gusto na natin yun, I just want to tell you that we won't forget you. You will stay forever in our hearts. We love you, God bless, and more birthdays and blessings ahead of you. Happy birthday po! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday!
Hi friend, birthday mo pala. Naalala ko tuloy nung una kitang nakita. Alam mo, tumisilip ka dyan sa pinto ko. Ang naisip ko, sino ba itong mistisa na ito? Tapos bigla kang pumasok. Ang sabi mo, hi, hello. Sabi ko naman, ay, na-impress ako sa get up mo. Tapos bigla pumasok ka sa akin. Sabi mo, I'm the district supervisor. Ganun pala. Sabi ko, napakaganda ng get up mo, napakaganda. Let's say ang word doon, dignified. You look so dignified. Tapos saka, nagkwentuhan tayo, nalaman ko na pari pala tayo taga Metro Manila. Kaya pala, ganun ang get up mo. Then, nagkwentuhan tayo, sabi mo, taga Makati ka, ako taga Quezon City, na ang sabi ko, malapit ako sa Batasan. Then, naalala mo kaagad na, ay, pwede pa kami pumunta sa inyo? Dahil pupunta kami sa Batasan eh. Sabi ko naman, paano yan? Nag-iisa lang ako sa bahay. hindi kita ma-entertain. Marami pa man din, ang sabi mo, ilang kayo? Almost 15 or around 14. So sabi ko, para pagbigyan, very persuasive talaga ang friend ko. So para pagbigyan kita, okay na lang, sige kako. Kaya nakikita mo talaga nag-iisa lang po. Pero at least sana na-entertain ko kayo lahat. Kaya, friend, ang naano ko sa inyo, sa'yo, ang impression ko sa'yo, ay very friendly, tapos, kaya nga, ang get up, dignified, then very persuasive, ayaw ng no, gusto palagi yes. Kaya, friend, although siguro dito sa Balete medyo magkakahiwalay tayo, in Metro Manila, yun pa rin. Ang ating mga gimmick, just go, and I will still be with you. God bless. Happy birthday, my friend. Happy birthday. Malapit na rin ako mag-retire. Pareho tayo senior citizen, di ba? Okay. I love you. Happy birthday.
Ma'am Mayet, in behalf ng mga pulis ko dito sa Balete, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday. More birthdays to come, ma'am. Alam ko, kaya mo ipagpatuloy pa ang mga serbisyo natin para sa ating bayan. Pagbibigay ng magandang edukasyon sa ating bayan dito sa Balete. More birthdays to come, ma'am. Maraming salamat sa iyo at mabuhay po kayo.
Ma'am, happy birthday po. Unang-una po, ang nasapa sa ilalim ng aming pamunuan ng Balete Local Government Unit ay bumabati po ng happy birthday sa iyo ngayong March 17. Alam mo ma'am, mahal na mahal namin kayo sapagkat nakita namin unang-una ng aking may bahay na si Maris, ang inyong kabaitan, isang mahusay na leader, isang mahusay na guro, at napaka-professional po ninyo. Itinuri ko po kayong ikalawang ina ko na dahil sa inyong kabaitan na ipinakikita sa aming pamilya at lalo higit sa akin. Kaya lahat ma'am ng ikaayos, ikabubuti ng ating paaralan ay 100% po sinusuportahan. Dahil po sa nakita ko sa inyo na kayo ay talagang impresibo na mapaunlad po ang edukasyon dito sa bayan ng Balete, sa ating minamahal na distrito. Kung kaya't para sa kalaman po ng lahat, sa lahat ng relatives ninyo, mahal na mahal ko po kayo, ma'am. Hindi lamang po ako, kundi ang lahat ng mga kaguruan nakikita po natin. Ganon din ang ating mga punong-guro na laging mga kasama ninyo sapagkat nakita po nila ang tunay na ina, ang tunay na nagkakalinga dito sa ating paaralan sa bayan ng Balete. At ako naman po bilang ama ng bayan ay laging nagpapasalamat sa pagkatatagpuan namin ang isang katulad ninyo na isang napakahusay, napakabait na ina at napakapalad po ng mga kaguruan dito sa bayan ng Balete sapagkat isang katulad ninyo ang naging puno, ang naging leader, isang naging district supervisor na napakahusay. Napakabait din niyo, ma'am. Kaya happy birthday, ma'am. At ang pagbati namin ito ay tao sa puso. Dala ko po sa ngalan po ng aking pamilya, sa ngalan ng local government unit ng Balete, ako po ay taos pusong bumabati. Kaya sa anumang kahilingan ma'am ninyo na may kinalaman para sa ayusan ng ating paaralan, na hindi po kayo nagdadalawang salita sa akin. Dahil sa nakita ko na inyong kahusayang sa pagdadala bilang isang mahusay na leader, super kayo, Mami. At alam mo, hindi ko kayo makakalimutan, Mami. At yan lamang po, maraming salamat sa lahat ng ating mga guro na nagmamahal kay Ma'am Mayet pati niya. Ma'am Mayet, asahan ninyo sa lahat ng oras at ako inyong tatawagan para kung ano mang pabor na kinakailangan, kung ano may tutulong sa inyo. Narito lamang po ako na laging nagmamahal sa inyo. Mahal na mahal kayo namin, lalo-lalo na ako dahil sa pinakita ninyo na pag-caring ninyo sa akin, sa pagpapalaala ninyo sa akin, na itinuring ninyo ako na hindi iba sa inyo, kundi inyong kapamilya. Hindi lamang po ako, ganoon din po ang aking may bahay na si Mayora Maris, na lagi ang gusto nyo ay makasama. Subalit sa dahilan ng napaka-busy rin po niya, pagpasisyahan po ninyo. Pero 100% ma'am, darating ako sa iyong karawan. At asahan po ninyo na ang dalangin ko na sana ay tayo ay lumawig pa ang buhay. At salamat po sa inyong regalo na ipinagkaloob ninyo ng birthday ko ng March 14. Yung po, ang lahat ng mga biyaya ng Panginoon ay pinagkaloob na sa inyo sapagkat tama lamang, napakabuti ninyong tao. Napakabuting ina, hindi lamang po sa inyong pamilya, kundi napakabuting ina ninyo dito sa ating ina ng ating distrito. Sa distrito po ng bayan ng Balete. Sapagkat marami pong mga guro ako nakausap. Ang lahat po ay nasisiyahan, natutuwa sa inyong pamamalakan. At napakahusay talaga ninyo. Dahil damang-dama po namin, unang-una ay ako, damang-dama ko ang inyong pagmamahal, ang inyong pagkalinga. At naramdaman ko, ma'am, na kung natatandaan po ninyo na masunog ang ating school building, na halos hindi kayo magkaintindihan kung anong gagawin. At salamat po at naalaala tayo na division ng Batangas na tayo ay mabiyayaan na mga paaralan. Dahil sa inyong kasipagan, kakaiba kayo. Isa kayong superhero para sa akin. I love you, ma'am.
Ang programang ito ay rated LPG. Labis na patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring makapaminsala pag napabayaan habang nagluluto ng sinigang, adobo, batchoy, okoy, ginataan. Ilayo sa mga bata na hindi mapaglaruan.
12 lang nga napili sa tryout. 1:13 ako. Practice ako ng practice. May uniform na ako.
Pag nanay ka, alam mo kung ano magpapasarap sa araw niyang masaklap.
Mag-Lucky Me ka muna. Anong sabi ng nanay?
Never say die.
Ano pa?
Tomorrow is another day. I dream! I never die!
Let's celebrate. Come on now. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. Baby, we're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright. We're gonna have a good time tonight. Let's celebrate. It's alright.
On this special day, ready, go! On this special day,
This is International Big Mega Radio Smasher.
and may we get abundantly today.
Had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is true, and I owe it all to you.
Had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before. And I swear this is
Good day. Good. 1, 2, 3. Good day. Happy birthday, Mom. We wish you all the best and good health. Thanks for your kindness and for some advices that you gave to us. We will miss you, Mom. From us, happy birthday.
Okay na, na lang.
Din ka ba sa dulo? At baba tayo na. In this very special occasion, we're very happy and proud to say happy birthday. The manager of the Black people, Ma'am Patenya, from the bottom of our heart, we wish you all the best. Our urgent life to have you more and more blessings and birthdays to come. Truly, you light up the lemon tree and you made us feel brand new. The great pretender, we won't forget you and your fabulous way of treating us make us feel sweet and safe. And we know that you've never been. I might say, you've never been kissed, never been loved, and all you want is candy. I please that you burn lollipop. Happy birthday, Mom. From never give up to render
I'm the party just like that.
And you know that you've never been kissed, never been loved, and all you want is candy. Ice cream, baby, burn lollipop. Oh, yun. Happy birthday, Mom. Ay, na. Ay, basta yun yata ang dalawa. Sige,
Ay, balay na naman si Sunita. Kasi
Lakad doon!
Let's go to the beach, each, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it on. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all my money and don't get too shit. The flow, I love to dance, so give me more.
You don't get them girls loose, loose. You don't get the world loose, loose. You don't get money, Mr. Worldwide. But I do. You don't get them girls loose, loose. You don't get the world loose, loose. You don't get money, oof, oof. But I do. know what y'all thinking. You're thinking that you can outthink me, but you can't, frankly. I'm out for the Benjis, Frankies, you know. Just cause you ain't me, don't hate me. As a matter of fact, you should thank me, even if you don't. You're welcome, young kids. Zigga, 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 zow. Who got the keys to the world now? You're shooting. Wow. They can't, they won't, they never will stop the party. They can't, they won't, they never will stop the party.
Hey, y'all having a good time out there?
Don't stop the party. I'ma give it to you, now give it to me, I'ma give it to you, now give it to me, I'ma give it to you, now give it to me, get funky, now stop.
I say y'all having a good time out there.
Que no pare la fiesta, don't stop the party. Que no pare la fiesta, don't stop the party. To the money makers in the place to be. Que no pare la fiesta, don't stop the party. To the sexy people in the place to be. Que no pare la fiesta, don't stop the party. To the money makers in the place to be. Que no pare la fiesta, don't stop the party. To the sexy people in the place to be. Que no pare la fiesta, don't stop the party. So presenting at the Grammys con el molito de Jennifer. Maybe now you understand. Red one and the beautiful Jennifer Lopez. Darling, we don't believe in defeat. That's why we're back for a three-peat. Hi Jenny, mira que tan loco. Yo me lo como como pastelito coco. I get stupid on the beach, see, whoa, whoa. I got mames by the boatloads. Yo tengo la carne y ella el mojo. I'm saying dale, she's screaming YOLO. She's Little Red Riding Hood and guess who's el lobo?
Oh yes, I'm the great pretender. Pretending that I'm doing well. My need is such, I pretend too much. I'm lonely, but no one can tell. Oh yes, I'm the great pretender. Adrift in a world of my own. I play the game, but to my real shame, you've left me to dream all alone. Too real is this feeling of make-believe. Too real when I feel what my heart can't conceal. Oh, yes, I'm the great pretender. Just laughing and gay like a clown. I seem to be what I'm not, you see. I'm wearing my heart like a crown. Pretending that you're still around. Too real is this feeling of make-believe. Too real when I feel what my heart can't conceal. Yes, I'm the great pretender. Just laugh